So you're trying to lose weight and your family keeps bringing stuff like this in the house. Here's 3 tips how you can still stay on track and hit your goals. The last one might surprise you. Number 1 is going to be the most effective and the most necessary step that you need to take. If you haven't already, then you need to communicate with your family and let them know what your goals are and what you're working to make progress on. You have to let them know that it's important to you and why it's important to you. Then you have to let them know that if they're bringing stuff like this in the house, it's going to make it really hard to hit your goals and you're going to be really unhappy because of it. Hopefully they'll resolve to stop bringing this stuff in the house, and if they continue to eat it, they'll just eat it outside of the house or somewhere that's away from you. But I know with experience that sometimes that can be hopeful at best. So that's why the second, and also, second in this order, most necessary step is that you need to have self-control and be willing to exercise that self-control and not allow yourself to eat things that are going to be counterproductive to your goals. Sometimes people run into binge eating because they've been under-eating and starving themselves for so long. So don't starve yourself, make sure you're getting enough calories and macros. Go check out the video on my YouTube channel if you don't know how to do your own. And this last tip is a little bit extreme, but I mean, if you can't, get the support of your family and you can't control your own cravings, then you're just going to have to get rid of everything that's in the house. Literally, get rid of it, then the ability for you to binge eat on it doesn't exist anymore. Now, overall, I don't recommend eliminating foods from your diet totally. So when you do want to have a snack or a treat for yourself, make sure you only buy a small amount that you're going to consume at one time and don't have more than that. If you found this helpful, then please share it with someone else that would find this helpful. And don't forget to hit that plus sign there so you don't miss any more tips that I got coming your way.